Hey, in this video, I'm going to share with you how to set up this business manager step by step. All right, so this is my testing account. So I'm going to share with you how to do it step by step. Okay, so first you go to business.facebook.com, and then you go to register your business account. So on the top right side, you have a create account or create a business manager. I forgot. So you click on here, then you fill in all your business information. Then you come to this page. All right. So in this page, what I want you to do first thing, I want you to go to this business settings. Okay, so you click on the business settings. And then you come to this page. All right. So this page is important. So what I want you to do is I want you to add people, right? You can add. By the way, I want you to add a business. I want you to add your business partner in because the more admin. But I don't want to say too much admin. If can, you try to add one or two admin as a backup. All right. So and then and you want to add me. All right. So you want to add me. You click on this add button. Then you type Alright, so you click on here and then okay, so because I cannot add because I already in, so you click admin access, you click next. Alright, so after you click next, then I want you to again you just tick everything and then you're good to go. Right, so I cannot show you too much because if not, Facebook suspects something wrong. Alright, so and then once you settle this one, I want you to go to this page. Alright, and then I want you to add your page. So you click this one and then you go to add page. So if you are page admin, you can add your page here. You type your Facebook page URL www.facebook.com/ your page URL. Right. So this one you can go to your Facebook page. You just go up here, copy the links, and then you paste here. Then you click add page. Then you are good to go. So after you add the page, I want you to go to this add account. So for this add account, I want you to create an add account. So to create, I cannot create because I already have an add account. So if you are new, you just click add and then you press create a new add account. Right. So after you create a new add account and then you make sure you tick everyone from the people category, then you confirm everything, then you are good to go. And then last two, right? So last two is the payment methods. So make sure you add your payment method before you can run your advertising. So this is important because Facebook hates people didn't pay them to advertise because there are few people take advantage after running the ads, then they do the payment later. So this one, if you those people will get banned by Facebook. So if you want to avoid getting banned by Facebook, you need to add your payment here. All right. So I forgot one more step. So after you add this, you need to go to this domain. So let's say if you have domain, you can click add domain and then you add your domain. All right. So for this one, if you engage with me, I can help you do this. Don't worry. All you need to do is you add me here as an admin. All right. Then lastly, this one is very important and I cannot help you is business info. So this business info, try to fill in as many information as possible. So your legal name of business, your country, your street address, everything, and then your website. So website is your domain name, and then save. So after save it, and then I want you to go to verify. So in order to verify, there are a few steps you need to do to activate this start verification. I will send a separate video. So after that, you just after you follow the another video that I sent to you, and then you can just click here start activation. So after you start activation, they will ask you question like your business address. So make sure your business address is same with this. All right, everything same with this part because actually this part and this part they separate it out. I don't know why. Okay, so yeah, and then after that they will ask you about your so if you are in Malaysia they will ask for SSM. So if you are in another country, which means it's your business registration, so they will ask you for that as well. So make sure that is the same address as your business manager as well, right? So after that so this one is optional. For me, I always turn on, and it's up to you. So this one, Facebook will so the two-factor authentication makes harder for people to access to your account lah, alright? So basically, they need a few steps to log into your account, right? So and you need to add and backup admin as well, alright? So once you verify it, it requires 2 to 3 business days for Facebook to approve. So once it's approved, then you are ready to go. Alright, so thank you for watching this video and see you soon.